Hello everyone, welcome back to our next video of this playlist. In this video we will see how we can create a layout, means components and layouts in Next.js. So I will minimize my public folder, and this is my code. As you know, in previous video we have done this. So I will remove this from here, and I will create here one folder with the name component. Okay, components, and I will hit enter, and inside this component I will create a file with the name nav bar dot jsx. Okay, now I will, now here we will say in okay, we will create one file, means we will write some code for that. And I'm not writing it by myself. I'm using AI, so that time will not be wasted. So I will say to AI, so create for me a nav cool nav bar in next.js with custom css custom css in same file. Okay, and I will hit enter, so it will create for me a sample output. Okay, I will accept it, and basically it has not given me css file, so I will copy this. Okay, or let it be. So what I will do, it has created me a navbar, and it has said the export default navbar. So what I will do, I will come to my page.jsx. By the way, this is my component. Okay, this is my navbar component. I can use anywhere this in my project. Anywhere means anywhere. I have coded once, and I can use on any page of my project. So what I will do, I will come to my page.jsx, and I will say here navbar, and I will import this navbar. After that I will close. If I go to my term like browser, and if I refresh, so it will give me an output. Currently I am getting an error that import style. Okay, cool, that we don't have style. Fine, I will create one file with the name module sorry nav bar dot module dot css. Okay, cool. Now what I will copy this whole, and I will come here. I will do control click, and I will say write cool css for navbar. Okay, and I will hit enter. So this will start creating for me a navbar, and like it will start writing for me. I will accept it. I don't know it has written me the cool way or not. It is saying invalid link a. Okay, that we are not getting. We will see what is invalid here. So this is their link from next. We are getting from link from next. So this a tag don't have any link, so I will remove this. By the way, it has provided some wrong code. I will remove it, and I will remove this also from here, and I will do it like this. So I will do the same for these all. This is about, so I will say about, and I will remove this also. I will explain what exactly is this. What was this? One sec. Contact. Okay, contact, and I will say here format document, so that everything can be aligned properly. So what, see what till now AI has done, it has imported link from Next.js, style from this file navbar dot module dot css. Okay, and after that it has created one function which is exported by default, and then it is saying navbar and class name as nav. After that you are creating ul tag which has three items, like inside l1 tag, and we have a link tag. After that we will see an output. So how is it? So this is what we have created, a navbar. It's not looking that much cool. Fine, here is navbar, about, and contact. Okay, now we have used this on page.jsx. okay, now what if I want to do it for slash home? Slash home, I should get the same output. Like currently we will get something error. Okay, so what I will do right now, I will basically create one folder with the name home. Okay, and I will hit enter. Now inside this I will create one file with the name page.jsx, and inside this page.jsx I will copy the same code. Okay, and I will paste this here, and I need to import this from correct path. I don't need here css anymore, and images also I not need. So I need this navbar. Okay, so I will say here dot slash inside component slash navbar we have. Okay, from navbar we are getting navbar. If I come here, currently you can see on home page also we are getting the data. We have not coded for navbar, correct? We don't have even coded, like we have coded navbar only once, and we are using the navbar on two pages. One is slash home and one is on base url. So this is what we can achieve. Okay, so currently we can see when I click on this home I should redirect to home. So let's learn few neat things here. So this is our home, so I should redirect to home, so I will say home. Okay, now if I go here and if I click here, so currently you can see I am on the home. Okay, if I click on about, I am on the home, like base url. So this is what you can see, page is also not refreshing. So that's all in this video guys. We will learn something new in next video. I hope you enjoy. Thank you.